In this video, I'll show you how to change the resolution of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure the media pool is visible. If it's not, click the media pool button at the top left to make it appear. Now, find your timeline icon in the media pool. It looks like a small film strip. Click on it and go to Timelines, Timeline Settings. A window will pop up. By default, Use Project Settings is enabled, so go ahead and uncheck that. This will let you manually adjust the resolution. Now you can select from presets like HD or 4K, or enter your own custom resolution. Next, under the mismatched resolution section, change the setting to scale entire image to fit. This ensures your video clips adjust properly to the new resolution without stretching or getting cut off. Click OK, and your timeline resolution is now updated and your footage stays properly scaled. That's it. You've successfully changed your resolution in DaVinci Resolve without affecting the look of your video.